Dan the Fix-It Tool Man here again, doing a PEX, whatchamacallit here, shut-off valves. These things, very easy to install, and I recommend you will when you put in something. This is going to my tub, so we're going to cut it right about here. It doesn't matter, hold these, doesn't matter where you cut it really, as long as you can get your stuff in there. Might get a little wet. Got my hat on today because of a derogatory comment about my hair and appearance. I'm just here to help you learn PEX, that's all. Oh, so you got to put your ring on first. Put whatever attachment you're going to put on the PEX, and you put it. Oh, you got to put your other ring on over here. You got to make sure your rings are on first, of course, because you can't get them on after. And give me crimps. And you crimp it. These are the rings that they sell. They're called compression rings. PEX compression rings. And this is a PEX compression ring crimper. They have better ones. I got like a $20 one. I would probably get a better one if I could. They even have a power one, power tool these. Because it's kind of awkward getting it in the crimper with this model. So I'm going to make sure it's wide open. And then, okay, there, I got it in. And then you gotta squeeze. And I think I made that real close. Maybe too close. We'll show you after it's done. But it's, there, I'm gonna go that close on this one. It's just like that. And here, show them up here, and boom, there's a shutoff valve. Bada bing. Does it work? Oh yeah, okay, yep, right on. So if you guys want to watch me do the next one, I'll just do the next one real quick. Got my PEX stuff right here. Get it open. And I'll put the next shutoff valve. Oops. Of course, I want to put my ring on first. I can actually do one side at a time. I don't have to put them both on there. It might be easier actually, because then I can move the pipe. All right, got my ring on there. Gotta get this thing open all the way. Which, that's why maybe you want to get a better tool. I mean, this tool works, but it's a pain in the butt. There it goes. Ready? See it? Done. Do the other side with the ring. This is what I'm talking about with this thing. You gotta have that all the way open. Put this one on and get the ring in the hole of the tool like that. I'm getting better at this. And then, you know, I don't think it matters where you are as long as you're on that metal of the PEX inside, you know what I mean? So there you go. Thanks for enjoying another video.